My name is Denzel Wolf. I'm doing IB in HFS.
My name is Sandy Malhotra.
I am Malaika Menon.
Arjun Singh.
I'm Nimisha.
I am Jay Sharma.
I'm Ashika.
I am Sahil Patil. I'm from HFS International. I'm the CAS secretary. We are doing a CAS trip, as well as we are supporting an NGO which is called Anant Vikas, and the program is for the youth empowerment.
We have a set of different activities which we will be performing. There is cooking, there is plowing the field, there's a lot of other things, interesting things to do, and I look forward to that.
We're firstly going to cook our own lunch, and then we're going to plant some saplings.
We've been told to carry rice and moong dal and prepare khichdi for everyone, so I like to feed people, I guess. And then also I'm looking forward to the interaction with the children, like a one-to-one teaching session with all the villagers, so that's going to be fun.
At the baseline survey, we are going to go to each house and then look at the condition of the house, and then we are going to ask them about different questions.
It's about helping people, and it's about providing the necessities for those who don't have the basic privileges that we do.
We will be performing a Nukkad Natak, as they say in Hindi. It's a play about spreading awareness about education and stuff. So that's going to be after lunch.
Conversing with them might be a little tough because my Hindi is not that good.
I'm worried about the language barrier because I can't speak Marathi, but there are a few of them who can, so I'm hoping Hindi works.
I agree that one day is too short a span of time to actually bring out some groundbreaking change in any place, in any aspect of anything. But I think there's always a start, and one single day can sometimes make a major start.
With the work we're doing today, I don't know how many changes it will bring about right now, but in the long run, yeah, it will certainly make a change.
I'm pretty excited because it's something I haven't done before. I've never gone to a village before to help. I've seen them, but I've never done anything about it.
I'm actually new. I just moved about a month ago from America. So this is like my first trip to a village. Like I've never been to a village before. So this is a whole new different experience for me. So I'm really looking forward to it.
स्कूल तो ज़्यादा लंबे हैं, पर पढ़ाई में अगर अपने जैसे बनना है तो सब जो चीज़ें हैं वो नज़दीक चाहिए. तो हमारे बच्चे हैं तो बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल करते हैं.
First, we try to use a shovel to make the hole a bit bigger. Then we kind of lost the shovel in between because it went to the other team. And then we started using our hands. Basically, there were a lot of rocks in between, so we just use the crowbar bit to move the rocks, and then our hands. And once we made it big enough, we put the plant. Then we put soil and a bit of water. It was a lot of teamwork and a lot of hard work, and you just sort of get a feel of what these guys do on a daily basis.
So we basically cooked khichdi, which we really enjoyed, and we all were ready for it, but we didn't know what to expect. But it was a lot of fun, and yeah, we did cry a little when we went near the fire, but we survived.
We taught the children. We each took 2 little kids to teach, and we taught them how to say my name is so and so in English, as well as ask the other person what their name was. It's a very small thing, but I think even a drop can go a mile for a little child.
We did perform the skit basically thinking about, how we could spread some awareness about education, how it is important, and how every age group can actually, utilize this education to be able to interact with outside, people, external people.
The villagers were actually very friendly because considering we just barged into their homes and started doing our own thing, they were cool with it.
It was a wonderful day. It was a very exciting trip, and the amount of excitement that I showed, looking forward to the trip, it actually was up to my expectations.
I think the skit towards the end would help them most if they listen, because it conveyed a very important message about the importance of education and how it can actually change people's lives.
I got lost in the village and got chased by a chicken, but overall it was a great experience. There's a lot I learned, like I got to see a different side of life.
We complain in the cities that we don't have our gadgets and luxuries, but over here they're still so happy. And it was an eye-opening experience.
It was a very great experience. It was a very down-to-earth experience.
We could have done it better by actually staying here for a few days and actually doing a bit more work. But then, yeah, there's always a next time for that.